One of the chief complaints with the White Mountain freezers, even from brand new, is that as you crank, sometimes the gears bind in there. And that is due to some low quality gears that White Mountain has been building overseas and then putting into their White Mountain freezers in the last number of years. And to fix this problem, Immergood has made gears out of stainless steel that will last much longer and are of higher quality and will work better from the start. Going to start by removing the bottom plate. We're going to remove the shaft from inside that first gear, and by doing that, you want to turn this backward. So potentially yours does not work as easy as this one does. You're going to need to use some pliers or a little more aggressive force, maybe inserting a piece of wood into this spot right here and using a vice grip or something on here to be able to turn that backward would allow you to turn that outward. There we go. That whole thing flips out of there. Now that we have the gears removed from the old gear frame, take a look at the new gears compared to the old ones. Not too much of a question of why the one works better than the other one. These old cast gears compared to the new stainless steel gears. So one of the things you'll notice here is that Immergood uses poly wear bushings rather than just putting metal against metal like what White Mountain used to do. That enables it to last a lot longer. So to put this together, first we're going to put the washer that was included there, put this in the bottom. Now we're going to reinsert this shaft, and a little washer gets put in the middle there. So we'll carefully put that together. And now we'll spin this back together again. There we go. Now we need to place the new bottom onto under the frame. And it goes on there like that. And that should enable us to put the screws back in place again. And there you have it.